Abusia mema wo akwaba yedi ahyiamu a dwumtini Kriswa de honsam na yebehwe ewo sa show yi eso na ansa na no eye osofu yi a o mi screen so yi abusia wo ye very popular ewo TikTok pa mo amwo TikTok ne de mo behunu sa wo sofu yi na nanim ankasa enie osofu no nanim ankasa enie na unim bebi mesere mo yentie ensem bia wo nuamu wo kan abatini poster yi onu mu na wo ye poster no an nipa wo tiase ye wo design wo no ni poster yenkotie de wo kan about it embra na ye ba ye behwe de ye etwa gu ewo Kriswa de nso esad de asi ene de ekoyi na like video na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe yentie wo sofu yi embra.
A lot of people were very disappointed, not because they cared about me, but because they were disappointed that it was not true. They wish it was true. On the 1st of April, a friend of mine played a prank on me because as matured as we are, we understand that even the oldest people, they play. He called me and he told me he had had an accident on the Tema motorway. I quickly drove out of my house, went to the exact location he told me, reached there, called his phone, and then he told me, Apostle, have you forgotten it's April, 1st April Fool? We laughed about it and I go back home. When I go back home, I thought about it. I'm like, come on, I have friends, I have followers. Why don't I play a prank? Of course, I came to understand that it was quite expensive, but let's still look at it from the perspective I was looking at it from for the purpose of this video. I made a design of a funeral arrangement of myself, and I wrote on it that I know that many of you will not read this, and you are just going to go ahead and post it because it is about death. Now, when the thing was posted, the feedback that came was very negative. But after a while, I've been thinking about what actually happened, and I came to realize that most of the people that were bitter, writing in the comment section, saying all kind of insults to me because I played a prank with my own picture, not their picture, not their father's picture, not their mother's picture, my own picture. Even if I wished death for myself, it was still me. Most of those people had never shared any of my videos, never commented on any of my videos, never actually joined any of my meetings, though I announced it several times, not even my online meetings. You see, we live in a world where a lot of people appreciate bad news. A lot of people, when they saw the news, they were quick to share it. They were quick to promote it on their page. They were quick to post it on their social media. A lot of people put this picture on their WhatsApp photos. They put the picture on their Facebook photos until they realized that it was not true. Meanwhile, those same people had never shared any of the amazing videos of people being healed, my church programs. None of them, they had never shared them before. And that got me thinking today. And I came to a point of realizing that people will never appreciate what we do. People will never support us. People will never show interest in what we do. They will stay afar and watch us from afar. Why didn't they watch the video from afar the same way they watch? Why didn't they watch the funeral picture from afar the same way they watch it? They watch all my videos from afar. When we hear that somebody is doing well and the person dies, we jubilate in our hearts. Many people were super excited. They shared it on their post. Bloggers took this picture and shared it because the man is dead. It's time for us to make some money by posting his stuff. Guys, even though I came out and I made an apology, the apology was not made to everybody. The apology was made to those my followers who were emotionally troubled because they thought it was true. But to hell with every other person who doesn't care about my ministry but felt they were entitled to some kind of apology. It was actually none of your business whether I live or die because you never cared anyways. The truth of the matter is that many of us, we are just living. And we are living to impress people. We are living to do things for people. We are killing ourselves for people. And these people actually don't care. They are just waiting to hear the worst news so that they can push it. How many of these people who were insulting me and saying all those things about me congratulated me when I got married? How many of them congratulated me when I went to have a massive program in Kenya? How many of them even wished me happy birthday on my birthday? But they found it offensive that I posted my own picture and put there that I am dead. They found that offensive. They were not offended because of anything. They were just hurt that it was not true. They wished it was true. And let me tell you something. I am not dying now. I'm not dying right now. I'm going to live for a very long time. I am going to live for a very long time. So guys, this is something I just thought about. And I think it should be an advice to you too. Now stop living your life to please people. Do whatever you can do. Enjoy your life. Please yourself. Do what makes you happy. When I'm on social media and I'm cracking those, it makes me happy. I don't give the damn about what you think. Whether because I'm joking on social media, you think I'm not of God. That is your own cup of tea. I don't give a damn. Because that's what makes me happy. When I die, you are going to now come and post my videos for views and for trend. But whilst I am alive, you don't share, you don't attend my programs, you don't come to, you don't support me in any way. You are just waiting for me to die so that you share my obituary picture.
Abusia, yes, we a year or so for so according to no or no a design and funeral poster and the no be post or no on the page. Yes, now we need crown sankit yamrew. Say over course fears and panic. Say when I shut away the ya or muchi nuko to mumani da cells arches and no conabra. It we know it's not say offensive for no I disappointed and I say Abusia we know it's yamarankasa. Say over course fears and panic. Abusia. Yes, we were no moon now. One summer for Petrani pa or no mutimi design be say no be posting just for trend. Adenya or pranky or more a proof na den Bible see ye coin be white no in the penny so but and it won't and ye be biana obey ye for trend. I was say one no be posting the who for trend name so one wu ye no meseremon yen free means me so na yan hwe de etwagu ewa Chris Wado aside na ewa Chris Wado aside no abusia Chris Wado aba be posti woni anti yom wo screen you see yes say ne grandman so na yan hwe de wo twere edigu ase according to Chris Wado or see me yes and na chese wo twa so konso or say my auntie that raised with unconditional love like I was her biological son. Yes, the auntie. I will raise notice said ye or no mu eden ne banen so busia enye biological but also share me kama and I want ni auntie no vibe ni eden e wo ko ni auntie no so ho fe te say Chris Wado na abusia Chris Wado mu a yenhwe ni auntie ya woni no awo emfonyi mu omumie no apose no according to Chris Wado no obe posting the auntie na what should I say my auntie left me 2 years ago according to Chris Wado or say ni auntie na woni no ejina emfonyi mu no 2 years ago and na ni auntie no egu ya auntie sebusian wono so afin and na wabe share with social media for on say ono ankasa no na bra bomu nsem ne no ma no mekoso e woni side no one time fam social media ain ono yobi a o ya branch ya guidance e wona ni so pa na so say yenye unnecessary show off she said ye mpanifo binim kura aye no ono small boy no nim saaye ebia afina wo bobo na japade ano aba be show dia do o mutimi show no but ono no won said that say high bloggers am the camera beto to no ma so abe show on pe show I show up san no maninti ni mami ni mami ewu ye kra no wa medenedi e wo social media afin and wa be post na we kra no de Chris Wado e be post ni auntie ni say trend bi en koso e wo TikTok answer trendy and ye wo behu na nipa na twero me natural say and they be not nipa ni bi ahye my auntie and my dad and my this natural say over scroll next page no e be me again na baby and auntie no no na the RIP ahye ho sa trend no and na Chris Wado wo wakofa ni auntie nsemi e de aba social media men so me ma wo hunu die asi abusia wɔtwerɛ saa nsɛm yi na ɔsɛe ne aunty ne din ɛde Grace Apia Achiampong. Yes, Achiampong. Na owie na wɔtwerɛ aseɛ sɛ God knows best. Wɔsi die besi bia no Nyankopɔn ɛna wonim die ɔyɛ. What you say? Yes, interbusia. So far the way any the SCA Mr. Mo before say your best reason wohu. Yentie complain bia abe mu abi and abrantie bi e man wo ka say about a kwan and was say amanfo bi person mo de ne fa so agye ne nkwan efiri ne nsam eye Ghana police for yentie no mbra.
Adehye. Your friend ko akukudua. Mafaje ne efu agye kutuku. Amede ko Kofodua na Kofodua na amede kro meduru akwadum police barrier ho police fo gina ho eduro watene wonsa sa wujiska na msi miniska na emom metai kwa be papa ya mani abere wo se me mpake car na ene o ma me nko meka bibia so o ma me nko ene sa na te am family lances ba na mse me family lances ma because me nim fonso bi ama ya me de me lances me fama kikiri wa bia me don ne tumi ka kin ana person na ma fa ne two kin wo se me ye be ma me ntuka na mse di 30 minutes no ya me tuka me ye be ma me ntuka kikiri ku atu me be so se nipa na mo tumi kasa sa me se me yije no aba be suma wo me ato enti me yes video e di ato ama mansan se ade beche na mawu a akwadum police fo a o mo gina bari a o me kun me because wa mini wase me ya obekume na de da ho no
abusia menim se IGP yohono waka kire ne boys ne so munkunkum civilians ne dia ase wono no ba gi city na ne nkwase afo no na wo mu buse no se de mu si kunkum civilians no Patricia Mako ne kro no sensemi a mo so mo kwache kronfo omukum civilian no mo si de ne so basi su be kan ensem bi na semi bi wono so omo shoot na kum no enkwase attack sa ne kwasia ne pa kunkum sa na che se omo pese omo yeminim se no ntina na omo bose de se na IGP dampare emma wo mu njimijimi wo mo watase. Yes, abusia so far we any the go amazing aka you talk too much. Mema was so active BA. Mamefa wo in see ahasi ye.